Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I'm Wanda and today it is fig picking time. Danny and I just started getting figs over the last 2 or 3 days, and we hardly ever get more than 3 or 4 a day to start with. So I took a gallon bag and we ate a few. And if we had 4 or 5, I stuck them in the bag. We had 6 or 8, I stuck them in the bag. So for the last 3 or 4 days, I've gathered this many. Today he got this Cool Whip bucket full. So what I'm doing is I'm taking our fresh figs and putting them in a gallon Ziploc bag, a freezer bag, putting them in the freezer till I get enough to can whole figs. Now somebody's going to say some of these look a little bit green, like this. We're fighting squirrels and birds. And whole figs work wonders even with these that are just turning. Now if you get them too mushy, you can't make whole figs. Now see, this one is starting to get really ripe, but it'll still make whole figs. It will just mush down more than some of the slightly greener ones that Danny likes. So we pick them all stages to keep the birds and the squirrels from getting them right now. I will store them until I get about 2 or 3 of these gallon bags. Then I will start canning whole figs. Now you can put a gallon bag in the fridge and eat fresh for about a week before they go bad. You can leave them in the freezer for up to a year. I have done that before, and I've made fig ice cream and fig smoothies and all kinds of stuff out of the figs that are in the freezer. We're going to be making fig jam. Well, I guess I'd say fig jelly. I've made it before. I might make a batch of fig jelly. We're going to make some whole figs. And we might make some stewed down figs. I guess they would call them candied figs. So we have a variety, but Danny likes the whole figs over anything else. So I make whole figs until I just don't want to make whole figs anymore. So guys, this is a way to store figs till you have enough. Store anything really, but figs, I'm putting them in here. Now we're going to be working on peaches today. So I've got to put these in there and get busy. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.